Okay. Hello, you beautiful people. Today we're going to show you how to use the Curl Definer Hair Mask. Now, before I get started here, if the audio sounds a little weird, I'm recording it straight on the laptop in the car. No microphone attachment, so it's not going to be the best audio, but guess what? I'm going to make it work. Now, let's get to business. So as you see right here, right here, this is the Curl Definer Hair Mask in its clay form, in its powder form. And I got it right there. I'm going to take a little bit of this natural spring water I get from the dollar store, the Crystal Geyser brand, and I'm going to put that right up in there. Now you got to mix it till you get a nice little mud consistency. So you got to figure out the right mixture for the amount you're using, for the amount of hair you have, and whatnot and what forth. You'll see that I'm going to mess up a few times and not put enough water in it to get it to the right muddy consistency, but it's okay because I'd rather have a little too water and add some than have too much water and have not enough mud. You get what I'm saying here, right? You just step by step, day by step, day by day, step by step, day by day. So as you can see, I'm still mixing it all up, mixing it up, making sure it's getting a nice muddy consistency, because if it doesn't have a nice muddy consistency, it's not going to sit well in the hair. And I want to make sure it sits well, sits tight, sits strong, sits powerfully in my hair at all times. So I'm just going to let that keep mushing. It's going to take you seconds. It's going to take you a while to get it. You can use a blender if you want, but then you'd be wasting the good old muddiness. And you don't want to waste that good old muddiness now, do you? Now what you're going to do is you're going to take that mud and put it in your hair. Now, fellas, you may be wondering, can I use this in my beard? The answer is yes, you can. If you want to curl your beard up, you are more than welcome to. I've done it numerous times. Just this time I didn't make enough mud for the beard. Now, so we got it here with the hair. As you see, I'm putting it in my hair. It's a nice brown consistency. It's working its way in there. It's looking rough. It's looking dusty. It's looking the way it should look, honestly. So you got to apply it in piece by piece, because again, it is mud. You want it to dry up and everything. So when you're doing this, make sure you try to get as deep as you can in different parts of your hair. That's the most important part. Make sure you go beyond just the curls. Go beyond just the surface. You got to get in there deep. You got to get in, like my hair is coarse, as you can see. So I need to make sure I'm getting in as much as possible. So I'm trying to work it in as best as I can to make sure not just the ends, but the entire hair strand is getting that nice muddy consistency going on there. Just got to work that in, work it. There it is. Work it in. Clap your hands, Mike. You got it, baby. So yeah, just work that, dab that, mix that, flip that, dance that. Just get it, as you're working it, you want to try and do some detangling as well. At this point, I just took the whole bowl and was like, look, what do I have? And it didn't really add any extra, but I'm scrummaging here. I'm scrummaging like a little rat, trying to get all the mud I can, because I don't want to go downstairs and grab some more of a great powder. Okay, so now I'm back. I was gone for about an hour. I let it soak for an hour. Let it dry for about an hour, maybe two, while we were having dinner and whatnot. So as you can see, it's super gray. There's some brown spots is there as well, because there is some red clay in here. So that's what gives it a nice brown consistency, that lovely brown hue that you're seeing there. And yeah, as you can see, it's flaky, a little dandruffy. It looks like I've been, rolling around in dust all day, like a little dust bunny. But that's the whole point. So as you can see, I'm getting close. Really dusty. Shirt's looking rough, but damn, my shirt looks amazing. Netter gold, baby. So, yeah. So that's how that looks there. All right, so I just wanted to show you all real quick. This is a little close up here I took on the phone, so you can see what it looks like up close and personal. So you see, it looks nice and dusty. It looks nice and dingy. I look dirty as hell. It looks like I've been through some things, through some rough things in life, some fights, some trials and tribulations. I have seen the Holy Land and came back, and yeah, so that's how it looks. And then the next thing is just to wash it out. So I'm head over to the shower and then just rinse, and yeah, that's about it. Really, super easy. Alright, so now I'm all said and done. It's been washed out. Curls look a little popping. Hair nice and soaking wet. And that's honestly it. I'm taking a brush to real quick, getting some of the knobs out in the front. I'm taking some of the limited edition hair and body oil that you all can no longer get. So haha, applying that directly to the scalp with a little bit of oil through the dropper. And yeah, that's the whole process. Honestly, when it comes to the mask, I put a little bit in the beard as well, and then just work it in. And now I'm just allowing the oil to lock in any moisture that was stripped away from the hair mask. Use a little bit of butter as well to double lock it in. And yeah, that's about it, man. That's how you use the Curl Definer hair mask. It's super chill, super relaxed. You might look dusty for a while, but that's it. Any questions, comments? Leave them below. I got you.